Good morning, students. In the last video we have discussed about addition of rational numbers. Okay, so first one I have discussed about how to convert the denominator negative denominators into positive denominators, and then we have to add it. And the first case, then you have discussed about case 1 when given numbers have same denominator. Suppose here is suppose add 5 by 6 and minus 1 by 6, the denominators are same, that is 6. So how can you have to add it? Well, I have explained you here also 15 and 15. So this part I have finished. Now we will discuss about case 2. Okay, case 2 says that when denominators of given numbers are unequal, that means the denominators are not equal. Okay, so how can we solve it? So let us take an example and then we can go ahead. So this time I will take the example from 1C, exercise 1C, as I have mentioned you in the earlier video also, in the last video. Exercise 1C, page number 10, question number 2. Now it is question number 2. Question number 2, number 5. Question 2, number 5. The question is that add the rational numbers 7 by minus 18 plus 7 by minus 18 plus 8 by 27. 8 by 27. In this way we have to do it. So now what we have to do, how can you solve this? See, here denominators are defined. Here the denominator is 7 by minus 18 and here the denominator is 27. First of all, we have to convert the negative denominator into positive denominator. So how can we do it? We have to convert 7 by minus 18 into, that means this minus 18 into plus 18. So how can you do it? As I have explained you in the last video, so 7 by minus 18, okay, is equal to, we can write it 7 by minus 18. Here we have to multiply with which number? Yes, minus 1. Okay, as I have multiplied the denominator by minus 1, we have to multiply the numerator also with minus 1. So what we get here, 7 into minus 1 will give me how much? Minus 7. And minus 18 into minus 1 will give me how much? 18. So in this way I have converted a negative denominator to a positive denominator. Okay. So what we have to do, it does not matter whatever sign is in the numerator, but the denominator should be always positive. So now how we have to, that means 7 by minus 18 is equal to minus 7 by 18. So we have to add like this, minus 7 by 18. So in place of 7 by minus 18, we can write minus 7 by 18, because 7 by minus 18 is equal to minus 7 by 18. So minus 7 by 18 plus 8 by 27. 8 by 27. So now how we can do it? I am doing it here. I am continuing here. Okay. In the last step we have get minus 7 by 18 plus 8 by 27. Here the denominator is 18 here and here is 27. So we have to find the LCM of 18 and 27. So how can we find it? I will going to explain here. So 18 and 27, LCM between 18 and 27. Okay. So 18, first you have to start with 2. 2 9 18. But see, it is, we cannot do anything with 27. So we have to change the number. So we have to take 3. So 3 6 18, isn't it? At least two numbers should be divisible by the number here. At least two numbers should be, in case of in case of finding the LCM, at least whatever number it is here, it should be get divisible by at least two numbers. So here 18 is divisible by 3 with 6. So 3 6 are 18 and 3 9 are 27. So I can write here 9. Again see 6 and 9. So again both of them can be is divisible by 3. Okay, is divisible by 3 because 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So what are the LCM of 3, 18 and 27? It is 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. See, 2 and 3 are prime numbers, therefore we cannot go anything further. Okay, so 3 into 2 into 3. So what will give me 3 into 3? 9. 9 2 is 18. 18 3 3 is 9. 9 into 2 into 3. Okay, again 9 2 is 18. 18 into 3. Again 18 into 3 is 8 2 is 16. 3 8 is 27. No, 8 3 is 24. Sorry, 8 3 8 is 24. 3 1 is 3. 4 5 54. 3 8 is 24. 3 8 is 24. 3 1 is 3 and 4 5 54. So the LCM of 18 and 27. 18 and 27 is how much? 54. So now if we take the LCM as 54. Okay. Now we have taken the LCM as 54. So after taking the LCM 54, we will have to take this LCM 54 as the common denominator of both minus 7 by 18 plus and 8 by 27. After taking a 54 as a common denominator, what we have to do? We have to find out that 18 into how much will give me the denominator LCM 52. Denominator, or you can say LCM. 18 into how much will give me 54. So 18 if we multiply with 3, how much we get? You start checking with 1 2 3 like this really, but I know that by 18 into 3 will give me 54 because 3 8 is 24, 3 is 54. Okay, 18 3 is 54. So if I multiply 3 with 18, then only it will give me the LCM 54. So what we will do with this? We will use this number, this 3, we have to multiply again with the numerator. So what is the numerator here? 7, minus 7, sorry. So we have to multiply the numerator with the number 3. Okay, because 18 into 3 will give me 54. So we have to multiply this 3 with minus 7. Okay, minus 7. Minus 7. Again 27 into how much will give me 54? 27 into 2 is equal to 54. 27 into 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4 5. 27 into 2 will give me 54. So we have to use this 2 with, so here the denominator is 27. So now we will take this denominator and try to find out that by what number if we multiply the denominator will give me 54. If we multiply with 2 with 27, if we multiply 27 with 2 will give me it will give me 54. So I have to use this number 2 to multiply its numerator. What is this numerator? It is 8. So 8 into, right here, plus 8 into 2. Okay, so now what we will do? So now we will try to find out the simplify it. So 7 3 is 21 minus 21 plus 8 2 is 16 by 54. Okay, so minus 21 plus 16 will minus 21 plus 16 will give me how much? As the signs are different, so you have to minus it. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5. Again 2 minus 1 and again minus 1. So it will be 5. So here it will be 0. Here it will be 0. So the answer is 5. but what sign we have to give? We have to give minus sign, as the greater number has negative sign. Okay, so the answer is minus 5. So the answer will be minus 5 by 54. In this way we have to add two rational numbers having negative denominator or having two different denominators. Okay, so I have explained you earlier how to convert the negative denominators into positive denominator. So in this way we have to do addition of two rational numbers having different denominators. So here is the denominator is 18, here the denominator is 27. So if we add these two rational numbers, we will get minus 5 by 54 as the answer. Okay, students, we will continue another problem regarding case 2 in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.